guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you have a great weekend. Tomorrow we are actually picking up our new puppy, so Charlie's going to have a friend. So if you follow me on Facebook, I'll be posting some pictures of the new puppy with Charlie, and hopefully everything works out. So wish us luck. Today I'm going to be playing with the stamp set #BFF, which comes in your box of the month for January. I'll have the box linked in the description box if you want to pick up one for yourself. You can join the club or purchase as a one-time purchase. So when you join the club, you get an extra 5% off, and you won't have to worry about ordering every month. It'll just be automatically shipped to you every 30 days. So this stamp is really, really cool. You can use this for friendship, sisters, brothers, a lot of different things. The sentiments are great in here. You're my person, better together, #BFF, good friends whine together, I'm here for you, true friendship knows no distance, besties forever, and sisters make the best friends. So I'm going to use the two girls with the wine glasses, and I might be using the sentiment up here, good friends wine together. I'm going to use the Memento Tuxedo Black ink because I am going to be coloring with my Copic. I'm just going to stamp off really quickly. Since this is the first time I'm using the stamp, I want to season it a little bit. I'm going to cut this out. Okay, so that looks great. I'm going to color this to look like me and my best friend. So we both have brown hair, so I'm going to get some browns out. Okay, so I got a E37, E35, E33, and E11. So I'm the taller one, so I'm going to do this one, and I have darker hair, so I'll make the darker E37 show more in my coloring. And I'm going to just do some simple coloring. Not going to fuss too much about it. The artist drew some lines that you can use to help you put in some shadows and flicks for your hair. And I like to work from darkest to lightest. And I usually just go over what I colored and just bring out the color a little bit. I saved some white space for my lightest color, E11. And then I'll go back with my darkest. And darken up these little flick lines here. Okay, I'm just going to soften those out with the E11. Okay, so I'm going to do the same for the other side, but I'm just going to do it a little bit lighter. I'm going to see what the E30 looks like. just so it has a little bit a different tone. And I'm gonna go with the E11 and then just add some flicks in there. Okay, that looks good to me. So now I'm going to work on the skin. I'll keep my E11, grab my E000 and E00, and I'm going to do E04 right in the little creases of where I want really dark shadows. And then I'm going to go in with the E11. My E00. And then my E000. Okay, so I'm going to color the wine, a reddish color. This color here, R39, looks like a good wine color. Now to color in the dresses. Now I can pick the colors from a paper pad that I want to use. So let me find a background paper. So the Best Friends paper pad also comes in the box. I do have this available as individual purchase if you want to just pick up the paper pad. I do have some ephemera left. Not much, but there is some. And then I like these two patterns. They're really pretty. This page here with the butterflies is gorgeous. So I think I'm going to do something that complements this. So maybe we could do some kind of greenish and peach or pink for the dresses. I'm just put those over here for inspiration. I picked out some teals and some pinks. So let's work on the pink color. I think I'll do this side pink. Got R89, R85, R83, and R81. So I'm going to use this one sparingly. Okay, I have my images all colored in. Let's cut that out with the oval. I ran my dies through with the oval on top of this, and these two on the side, so I could have that color brought into the scene. So I think I'm going to only put it on this side, on one side, because this wasn't long enough when I cut it, so I'll just have it on one side. And then this is going to go over this, like so. So I'm going to cut down the background here. I'm going to stamp out my sentiment with the VersaFine Claire and Nocturne. Okay, that looks good. So I am going to cut this out with a circle or an oval. We'll see what fits. Okay, so let's start putting this together. I'm going to add some glue to glue this down. This little piece is going to go right here. And then I have my sentiment. I will pop that up right here in the corner. We could put it in this corner, but I think I like it better in this corner here. So let's add it to the card base. I have a black card base with some texture on it. And we'll just center that right on there. I'm going to hold my card base down with my magnets. Help me get this on. And we will just let that dry while I get some foam tape on my sentiment here. Okay, so there it is. Now let's dress up the card. I think I'm going to add some clear confetti to the background. Okay, so that completes the card. Very cute and simple. Really nice card to send to your bestie. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up. That always helps the channel out. And leave a comment down below. I love reading them. And I will catch you real soon in the next video. Bye guys.